In the beginning, I laugh now because I look back and go, wow, it
It was a
was a
lot of work.
lot. And
Yeah.
actually, when I broke it down, it was like my cost per hour, or it was low.
Yeah.
It was in the beginning a 6-week program. I think 5 therapy sessions,
Mhm.
also a lot of work, a
Sure.
lot of exercises, activities.
Mhm.
So yeah, up to 5 sessions in 6 weeks. I really did believe I could get them fast results
Mhm.
and really wanted to, but
Mhm.
it was a lot of work. And these are people that have families, that have jobs. So I was getting that feedback, Sarah, this is a lot.
Sure.
Uh, but I thought, because so I wanted to charge a really high price, so I have to give them a lot. So it it's
Yeah.
balanced,
Doesn't work
right?
like that now, does it?
It doesn't. No, I know that now, thankfully.
Yeah. So the homework thing, like, and I always say this is pretty typical. You might have even mentioned this to me. Like the possibility of a client doing everything we want them to after the session is pretty low because they're busy and they just lose interest if they don't see results straight away. Is that sort of what happened?
It is what happened. Yeah. And so I was kind of leaning on that as a crutch, having the therapy session, crossing my fingers, hoping they were in hypnosis and it worked and they had this
Mhm.
breakthrough, all while they'd come back to me with a problem. And then I could lean on the homework and say, well, did
Mhm.
you do the homework? Almost like it's your fault. It didn't work.
Yeah.
And that didn't feel right, but at that point I didn't know what else to do. And
Mhm.
I knew that there were missing pieces and there could be a better, faster, more effective way to really
Mhm.
help them.
Mhm.
But I didn't know what that was. So I'd always fall back on, well, did you do the homework?
Mhm.
Well, that's why.
That's
And they
your
look at
fault.
me like, I didn't come to you for homework.
Mm. Yeah, I come just to get the
And-
therapy. Yeah.
right.
So you did the first ACH training. God, when did we do it? Like September, I think, last year. Can you remember all the way back then? What was like your first? Obviously, we spend 2 days. There's a lot
Oh.
of demos. What was your first instincts going into it?